weight. See, these have gone to Australia. 5,000 bags have been exported by the ladies. See, this is a bigger bag.
Yeah.
All wafer people, they are using it, and Australia, they are putting quilts into this.
Yeah.
You know quilts?
Yeah.
So for quilts, they are using these bags.
Right.
So weight is no problem. Size is constraint, and that is why these jumbo bags.
Right.
See, one more bag was there. Then it has gone. This is third bag. Still bigger.
Further bigger, yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Amazing.
Two quilts. Absolutely no problem.
Yeah.
So, what is the problem? Why we want plastic? Change your attitude. Wherever possible, you can use paper bags.
Yeah.
5 minute mouse.
Oh. This can carry 15 kg of weight. You can lift this.
Oh my god.
This is 5 kg now,
Yeah.
but after filling, it will be 15 kg. Even newspaper also 15 kg. Absolutely no problem. We can give trials also to you.
So all the size of
Yeah.
bags are here, and
20 different sizes.
this we can teach to our children.
Yes.
This can be a workshop, and children can draw. And this is the rim which is left after printing the newspaper.
Yes,
the Sunday
yes,
Times,
yes,
you
yes,
told
yes,
me, right?
yes.
And these designs can be, yes sir, surely I would love to get associated with you, and definitely I'm going to talk to my higher authorities. And this wonderful job you're doing.
This also you can
Yeah,
take.
these are the envelopes, and children are making, and these are mostly dumb and deaf and blind children doing this work.
And this is handle is done from this socks rings are there. You know Nike socks they produce.
Yeah.
And then this is a linkage ring.
Okay.
First, second, third, fourth socks for linkage. This ring is there. So each socks one ring is a waste. They are donating it to us. So we are converting 40 million bags. So 80 million rings are utilized by ladies without any payment.
Okay.
And this much recycling is taking place. It's a surplus of somebody. It's
Surplus.
not a waste.
Absolutely.
But we have converted into a usable product.
Yeah. So this
See,
is
this-
best
this
out
is-
of waste. Yes.
See, you can see this.
Yeah. Wow.
You can carry this ring also with you.
Yeah, I'll do that.
See, these pouches for your chutney they are using. Karjat, you know, vada and chutney. For chutney they are putting these pouches.
Okay.
Then pan people they are using these pouches for putting pan walas. Pan. We have given to them these pouches.
Right.
And then for giving your body shape into the restaurants,
Right.
fresh paper, they can put body shape.
Okay.
They can put body shape here, square bag also. Instead of this plastic bag,
Yeah.
they are putting these pouches.
Right.
So easy.
So easy. Yes. And my God.
And then these pouches they can use boutique shops for giving their pins, hair pins, and all that.
Right.
Anything, I mean.
Anything. Yeah.
Squares also. See, these are square ones.
Yes.
Now this we have done design. How we have done, I will show you. Very easy.
My God. The bag turned into a newspaper.
See, this is a simple single paper.
Yeah.
I have folded it half and then again half. So 4 equal sizes.
Right.
I need not calculate.
Right.
I need not measure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then one portion I have folded like this.
Right.
Then I have turned like this.
Okay.
We have given them templates. They just put the measurements with the help of
Right.
templates. Okay. Then again 3 equal parts.
Right.
So template they will make measure one part.
One part.
Then these 2 parts they will make half.
Half. Yeah.
Then they will put it here.
This
Interlock it.
Right.
Turn it. Again press it.
Press it,
Again
yeah.
interlock it.
Interlock.
And now, Swachha people also we taught them, but they are not intelligent people. What they have done, I said sell it for 25 paisa. They started selling for 2 rupees and 1 rupee for sanitary napkin disposal.
Right.
If suppose you start giving this for 50 paisa or 25 paisa, crores of such bags can be utilized with a red dot.
Yeah.
Is it possible? You tell me.
Yeah.
But at 1 rupee and 1.5 rupee, not more than 10,000, 20,000, only sophisticated people for photo session, one day they will purchase and they will forget about it. It has to be a sustainable project.
Yes.
It has to be a commercial project.
Commercial project, yes.
So this is what we can teach. Your students can do this.
Yeah, absolutely.
And double thing, they will get some art out of it. They will feel that we have done something for environment.
Right.
And they will feel we have sorted out the problem of disposal.
Disposal, yes.
And you can say we have done a great thing for disposal.
Yeah.
Is it not a project?
Yeah, this is a project, sir.
Just putting chashma is not a project at all.
Yes.
No specs printing on a ONGC tender. What Swachha Bharat has to do with that tender? Nothing. Only your ministers are happy. Oh, Swachha Bharat, we have seen that Gandhi ji ka chashma. This is fooling people.
Yes.
Just one day Irani is going on the road or Modi is going on the road and cleaning road is not going to achieve anything. Absolutely.
Yes.
And this is what I told Mr. Modi when he was a chief minister of Gujarat. He came to Pune. He met Mr. Mohan Dharia in Vanarai. Dharia asked me to come there. I discussed this matter for half an hour with him. I said, I don't want any help from you. If at all you want to help me, send your people, 15 people every week to Pune. Right. 52 teams, 52 weeks. I will give them training free of charge. Let them go back to Ahmedabad, and from Ahmedabad they should go to Surendranagar, Wadavan, all small places, taluka places, village places. And they must teach this further to the people. Then only Swachha Bharat is possible, not sitting in your Gandhinagar.
Yes.
And you will ask me to come there, your secretaries will feel that I want 5 crores, 10 crore rupees from government help. I don't need any money from you. I am very clear in my mind, let your secretaries come and take the training with me in Pune. I am not going to waste my time on your secretarial visits and all that. That is all bogus nonsense.
Absolutely, I totally agree with you, sir.
So this is what you can do. We can give you all the help for your children.
I will definitely.
Since
I'm getting back.
About your school children,
Yes.
I am spending so much of time.
I know, and you have cancelled your plan with me, and I can understand, But definitely, I'll take it to the next level. That is my commitment to you.
Yes.
I will do it.
Also,
yeah.
This one and this one also.
So we can teach our children.
Yes, our people will come and teach you.
And teach my children there.
Yes,
so we have the
it is
carnival and we
possible.
can put. Yeah, absolutely. So I'll keep one of this workshop, and in fact I'll keep in all the videos. We have 5 branches here.
No problem. I will give you a trainer's number.
Fine.
And you be in touch with my trainer. The only request is everything is free.
Right.
It is through my Rotary Club of Pune Central.
Okay.
But then you have to organize her transport from Fatima Nagar to your school, and you have to put her back there.
Fine, sir. Absolutely.
If you can organize transport, she will come and do the workshop for you.
Okay.
Free of cost, totally.
Okay. I'll just ask you the questions. Okay. Now.
So paper is free.
Okay.
And then this is a remnant of a box.
Yeah.
Pharmaceutical boxes, sweet meat boxes.
Yeah.
So this is not a waste, but this is a ornament.
Okay.
So they will give you standard size of strips. This is called a beam.
Okay.
And then you need not use that aluminium button here.
Right.
That is called a eyelet.
Right.
We are reducing the eyelet use.
Okay.
Each eyelet is 15 paisa.
Right.
4 eyelets 60 paisa. But this box beam
This rim, yes.
will be costing you not more than 10 paisa.
Right.
So you will be able to save 50 paisa.
Right.
And instead of putting a jute handle, you can put this linkage ring. It will be free.
And
so that again you will be able to save 25 paisa.
And you will be telling me where we get all
Yes,
these things
we will
from
give you a
Sesame.
letter, and
Right.
they will give you free also.
Fine. Okay. Very good. I'm so impressed and I'm feeling so fortunate that I have come here.
Unfortunately, I was going outside.
Yeah, okay.
But why we have done?
That's some kind of design.
No. I don't do anything for design.
Okay.
Design is always for the some help to your client.
Okay.
Some additional advantage to your client. That is why design is to be done. Now, if this fold is inside, while you are removing your material,
Oh, okay.
it will get damaged.
Yeah.
And you will be using this bag only for once or twice.
Right.
Now, I have just turned it out. And then there is a additional advantage to the client. I have not spent any additional money.
Right.
And I have increased the life to 10 cycles instead of 1 or 2.
Yeah.
This is how we have
to work on and change.
We have
bring
to
the revolution.
ignite the minds of the children.
Yeah.
We have to encourage them to think positively.
Yeah.
And develop a product, not only design.
Yeah.
Design is a very secondary thing. Design has to give some additional advantage to the client,
Okay.
consumer. Then that design is a design which can create value for your people and value for you also. They will be faithful to you.
Yeah.
They will use your bags than other bags.
Right.
Many simple things, but see,
Yes.
this can carry 1 kg of mangoes.
Amazing.
1 kg box.
Right.
And other bag is there that carries 2 kg of mangoes.
Right.
Now for giving your 500 rupee per dozen, 1 dozen or 2 dozens is 1000 rupee and this bag is 3 rupees. Why should they not give this additional advantage?
Yes.
Otherwise what they have to do? They have to take the box like this, childlike,
Yeah.
in your hand and go to the car, and then driver is not there. So you have to put it on a bonnet, then remove the keys, open the thing, and if suppose the door bangs with this, then everything will fall down.
Yes.
So this is why we have designed this. Necessity is the mother of invention.
Yeah.
This is what you have to teach your children,
Yes.
and they must do. See, this is a bucket type
Oh.
shape, and this is out of that Xerox paper.
Xerox, the cover of Xerox. Yes.
Absolutely no problem. And out of Xerox, see, this is, I'll show you. See, this is that Xerox paper bag.
Yeah, that rim comes.
Now, this is waterproof. Chandralok Hotel in Lonavala, they are using every month 1000 bags are going. Kukushku on Jangli Marad Road, Borao case, they are giving their chicken and other things into this. And this is, and what is this? Can you see this?
Some kind of.
I'll show you. I will show you.
What is it?
This is on a loom you weave fabric. Big loom, textile loom.
Okay.
You weave a fabric. So if suppose there are 5000 threads, at the time of weaving, some few threads get broken.
Okay.
So that is why they put extra threads inside, 5%. Those threads after weaving entire thing in a full length available, waist.
Okay.
And that waist has been given to the ladies free of charge. And they are making handles out of it. So we have to imagine something and do something.
Everything I think you have just.
See this? All rings.
This is that Nike you said.
Yeah,
they're
Nike.
Providing you, yeah.
So all these things we are doing it. Absolutely. See, this is also waste.
Yeah.
Box manufacturers are there. They put the rolls. So they cut the rolls. And then last ornaments are there. They are selling 15 rupee a kg. This waste paper. And this bag they are converting into now 150 gram paper at 15 rupee a kg is 2 rupee 25 paisa. 2 rupee 25 paisa, 6 such bags are ready.
My God.
That is the raw material cost, and they have sold one bag for 5 rupee. So 30 rupees they are doing out of 2 rupee 25 paisa. All other things are free. So that much is value addition. This is real Gandhi ji ka Gramodyog. 90% is labor.
Yeah.
10% is raw material.
Raw material.
And that is what is required today. Now, plastic is 90% raw material, hardly 5 or 10% is labor.
Yeah.
So this will create employment.
Employment, yes.
We don't want all employment exchanges. We want self-employment.
Yeah.
Self-employment is they can earn their own money. See, my blind home in Khandala, NAB Home for Aging Blind, I'm a trustee there for 30 years.
Okay.
All my blind people, they are making that envelopes I showed you. One person pays 400 envelopes per day. 400 rupees he is able to earn per day. You can imagine.
My God.
And why it is not for money we are teaching them. Empty mind is a devil's workshop.
Yeah.
They are always brooding. Why I am blind, why there is a problem with me and all that. I said, don't do anything. Just do some work and earn some money. Whenever you go to your hometown, meet your grandchildren, give them some presentation articles so that they will come and praise you. This is what is happening. Earlier, their grandchildren, they used to treat as a liability. Whenever their grandparents, they will go, they will say, we are not able to go for a holiday.
Yeah.
And now they are waiting for grandfather to come with some gift.
So good.
This is important.
This is important.
Indian Institute of Management, I taught this to the students there. Dr. Anil Gupta is there,
Right.
Innovation Cell Chief.
Okay.
Vice chairman there, and Mashelkar is the chairman.
Right.
So students said, we are collecting papers and giving it to the blind people.
Right.
Just opposite to the Indian Institute of Management. I said, for that IIM is not required. They said, why you are talking like this? I said, you have given 10 rupee paper, they have sold it for 10 rupee and the matter is over that day. Take the training, teach it to them. You can keep them busy for 8 hours so that they will not brood. And 10 rupee paper they will convert into 100 rupee back. So 90 rupee will be addition, value addition.
Yeah.
And then it will be useful for society and plastic will be reduced.
Reduced, yes.
These are the things, objectives we want to achieve.
Yeah.
So try hard for this.
Definitely.
We are there to help you, absolutely. I'll give you a paper. Don't waste time. I'll give you a DVD.
Okay.
It will carry everything. The projects.
Yeah.
Only teachers and parents are making the project. 70%.
Yeah.
Only 30% children are doing.
Yeah.
So we will request the children. We will teach them how to make a bag by folding papers, and they will donate 10 bags every day to the school.
Yeah.
If suppose you have 1,000 students, then you have 10,000 bags ready.
Right.
You can sell it at 1 rupee per bag. So you get 10,000 rupee per day. 200 school days are there.
Right.
So 10,000 into 200 means 20 lakh rupees you can generate. You need not go for donations. You need not go for advertisements, and all scholarships you can give out of this money to your students. You can buy your computers, science labs, you can water purification arrangement, everything you will be self-sufficient. We are there to help you. No problem.
Excellent, sir. Excellent. I'm definitely getting in touch. And
Yes.
now